Okay, today I'm going to be improving what I did yesterday on the, what's it called? Vending machine. First thing I'm going to do is put in, instead of just having these, I'm going to put in chests so that you can have an easier time filling stuff up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to improve this system. I'm going to put it right here so it actually dispenses when you buy something instead of having it just sit there. To do that, we're going to need observers. I have the observer facing this guy, other way around. I'm going to put the observer over here. Have it come out this way. I'm going to change this to blue, just so it looks better. So that means when there's something going through here, it's not working. Change it up just a little bit. Put the observer right there. There's a pedal. I might want to change that block over to glass. Like so. This guy's still being powered. It's from that right though. So instead I'll put the dropper right there. Let's see if it works. I'll put the observer above it. Let's put it over here. It is not doing anything. This isn't activating anything, which is not normal. It should be activating whenever something goes through this hopper. Maybe I need a comparator. Doesn't seem to do it though. I don't know why the observer is not functioning. It should be. Because I want this to activate whenever an item goes inside of it. So normally an observer would tell if there's a change in the block at all. And block update. Alright, so I looked it up. I found two ways to make an automatic observer, an automatic dropper I should say. I found you place that guy there, and you tick him on. Put some blocks like that. Flip around. Place an observer there. Place a redstone block there. Redstone there. A block above this. And there we go. There was another one. Put your dropper here. Comparator, sticky piston. Observer facing this way. Another observer facing this way. I think I might need some redstone. Like that. So one of these two designs I can put inside a here. I don't know if I want to put the dropper back up on top again. I might. I need something that can not have anything on top of it. There was another one just like this one. Except it was to the side. I might need specifically that one. Placing the observer the other way. This one goes like this. Block. redstone. And it doesn't seem to work for whatever reason. This is absorber facing the wrong way. So we put a block there, redstone dust there. And I think this is the one we might want to use, because it looks like it'd be nice and neat. Yeah, that's the one we want to use. It needs to be one block over though because of this redstone line. Put that guy on top of there, destroy that guy, have it come back, face this way. Alright, it's in a better position now. This guy can be destroyed. Redstone there. Block there. Absorber facing the other direction. Alright. Put a comparator right there. Piston. Other way around. So now, if I do that, it should automatically dispense, which is exactly what we want. And I'm probably going to put a locked door with a code. I'll add some polished deep slate. Should use some steel blocks. Let's use oxidized cut copper. Alright, there's that. I'm gonna grab me some logs. Let's use some blue logs. Build that up like that. Make it look even. One more. Put some stairs like though. I might want to extend it over a little bit. But this does need to be right there like that. So it looks good. Without redstone being exposed. Does this go through blocks? Hold on, let me test it out. Have some of these. It'll take a second. It does. Well, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I am going to move the hoppers back a little bit. Like so. Fill this guy in. I'm going to put dropper up here. Well, it's too high up, isn't it? Well, that's not good. You can't have it higher up than that. So if you wanted it right above it, it would have to be right there. Do we want to use the same thing? We might want to. We might not, though. Because there's all this circuitry right here. Let's try it anyway, see if it works. Let's use this other one instead, though. Need an absorber. Yeah, face looking that way. Parallel. I'm going to do away with the sound system or move it. because it's not really something that's needed. Need a piston. Put it right there. So, facing the correct way. Instead, I'm going to go like this. Destroy all of this over here. I want to put the sound system back in, so we're going to put it into a different spot. I can't let it interfere with this at all, though. That repeater does get powered, that's good. Put that there. Another block there. Repeater, right here. Right there. So the sound system is fully functional again, but in a different spot. So I want the oxidized cut copper. And these logs. So it can look good. Put that there like that. Now I'm going to go out 3 blocks. Put in some more of these. I'm going to do this. Probably doesn't have to be all this big, but I'm making it this big anyways. Well, maybe not. Hold on. I can just do this. Extend it a little bit more. Maybe by 2, so I can put real blocks right there. Like this. Okay, put real blocks in there like that. Does it have to be super even? I'm going to say no. Just so that it looks nice. You don't even have to look at the... what's it called? So you don't have to look at the dropper. That should function. Hopefully it's not broken. Shouldn't be broken. Don't tell me I broke it. Oh. Is it getting stuck right though? No. What's happening with it? Don't tell me I broke it. Oh, it's stuck right there because this block is there. Okay, let me quickly cover this all up. Is it going to dispense? Or is this block? This block is being powered. That's not a good thing. I would have baked that it will work, but I don't want that to be broken. Alright. I don't want it to go around. Maybe if I flip this guy around, I can come at it from the other way. pedal. I need a piston again. I grab it from over here. Absorber like that. Not a dropper, an absorber. Place it right there. That's facing the wrong way. Destroy that. Okay. Now that might function now properly. Grab some diamonds. See if it's operating properly. Noise clicks. And it drops. This guy might need to be farther back. So now I want to work on a way to access this place as if it was a room. This guy over here. I'm going to fill in all of these blocks here. Go over here. And extend it out. Door. Building might not be tall enough, but I can deal with that later. Now we're going to put in... Well, I want more levers than that. Let's do 6 of them. Or I could do 9 of them. Maybe. I'm going to have it will be like a code. So I'm going to grab some... What's it called? Fences? Signs, I mean. Put in numbers. And then 9. So there'll be 1. That's one of them. Let's do 7 and 5 as well. Let's use a different color for a different system. What color of wool should I use? Let's use red for the locking mechanism. So, the way how it's supposed to work is that if you have all of them flipped, it will, it doesn't look like that. If you power it, it'll turn off. So if you flip this one, and that one, these guys will turn off. But if one of them is on, it'll make it so that it doesn't work properly. So it turns on, I should say. Not you know what I'm saying? That. That. Now I can combine all the redstone up. Might not be how I need it. Hold on a second. I can just do that. Alright. Might be completed. Maybe 5. it turns on number 5. So that means this one needs to be changed a little bit. Like so. That should make it function. So if I turn that one on, it's not doing it. I'll just change it up a little bit. Put that one there like that. There we go. So you have to make it so you press all of these ones and it turns on. If you turn off any one of them, alright. Looks like we got our code set up. Should I add in a 4th number? I could, if there's enough space. Let's make it 6. Do the same thing right there. Redstone repeater. Have it go into that one. What was the code? That. Okay. And that allows you to open it up. And I'm going to make there be a lock from the inside. So if you're inside of it, does that work? Is that functioning? That's weird. Oh, it was too close to that guy. So if you put it over here instead. Alright. Inside lock completed. I will put these guys there. So now you can be able to access inside of here without any issues. But now I'm going to put on a roof. Let's use deep slate. Cobbled deep slate stairs. I'm going to put in some logs right here. Like this. There's the initial A-frame completed. I'm going to put in stairs underneath. Now I'm going to fill in the last of the roof. Alright. Completed the roof. Now it looks like a building. I'm going to activate the code. 6, 5, 1, and 7. Door opens up. Go inside. Lock it so nobody steals anything. That would be awful. Not like I'm playing with anybody else. And I'm going to add in some lights so you can actually see in here. Grab some glowstone. The inside of the building doesn't need to look nice, but the outside should. I'm going to make a way to be able to access the coin. Oh no, I just broke it. Place that torch. There wasn't any redstone on top of there. Okay, now there's a way to access all the diamonds. Alright, we have already completed vending machine building. We'll grab a different type of wood. Put in resources. Wait for the jingle. Wait for it to poop out. There it is. Oh, that's definitely too close. This hopper needs to be moved. Back. Let's make it 2 just to be safe. Here's our completed and encased and making it look at least decent vending machine with a fully functional locking system. But this is the completed vending machine. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. thank you for watching until the end.